Okay, so now that we're able to create our own functions, the next concept I would like to briefly explain is error handling. So error handling in MATLAB is generally used to flag problems within programs. So in particular, the error handling functions that we'll be looking at are the error, warning, and assert functions. So this video will start off with the error function. So an error function is used to display a message when the currently running mfile program encounters an error condition. So the syntax for the error function is just error, and then within here, this is the error message. This string is error message that will be displayed when the function is executed. So we've all encountered error messages before while programming, but now let's just jump into an example by including an error message of our own in this force calc function. Okay, so let us consider the case of the user attempting to pass in a character or string as an input. So first of all, we need to be able to check the variable type of the input argument mass in this case. Alright, so to check whether it is a character or a string, we can use the Char function, and this function takes an input, for example A, and returns a logical 1 if it is a character or a string. Alright, so I'll just include some comments about the error function that we're about to add. So we want to check the input variable type and display a message, display an error message, I should say, if it is not a number. Then abort the program. Okay, so to check whether or not the input variable mass is a character or a string, we'll use an if function, which includes the condition of the Char function, where mass is its input, and if this is a logical 1, it indicates that we have a string or a character attempting to be passed into our function, and our error message will display input argument must be a number. So now we can test our error message by attempting to pass in a character or a string to the function, and so we'll go and do this now. So we'll attempt to pass in a random character, let's say M, into our force calc function and run it. And so now we can see that we've tried using a character as an input to our function, and our error message has displayed and the program has been aborted. So in the next video I'll discuss the warning function, which is used for error handling.